If you're a Windows user who loves squeezing every bit of potential out of your setup, you know the right tools can make all the difference. The best part? You don't need to spend a dime to make your PC faster, smarter, and more efficient. Today, I'm sharing 10 incredible free programs that I personally rely on every day, whether it's boosting productivity, managing hardware, or just making life easier. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, putting you in the driver's seat of your PC. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a tool that fixes one of Windows' biggest pain points: file search. Everything is a tiny, lightning-fast program that indexes your files instantly, saving you precious time. The moment you start typing, it finds exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're navigating a cluttered drive or hunting for a specific document, everything makes searching effortless. Next up is Powertoys, a collection of over 25 utilities that feels like a Swiss Army knife for your PC. From pinning windows on top of others, to resizing images in bulk, or extracting text from screenshots, Powertoys offers a wide range of features for a variety of tasks. It's perfect for developers, designers, and anyone who loves efficient tools. Managing audio levels shouldn't be a chore, and Ear Trumpet makes sure it isn't. This tool replaces Windows' clunky volume mixer with a sleek, intuitive interface. Adjust the volume of individual apps directly from your taskbar. No more digging through menus. It's a simple yet powerful upgrade for anyone juggling multiple audio sources. If you're a fan of light and dark themes, Auto Dark Mode is a must-have. It automatically switches your Windows theme based on your local sunrise and sunset, or a custom schedule you set. Your screen brightens up with your day and eases into dark mode at night, all without lifting a finger. Adjusting brightness across multiple monitors can be a hassle, but Monitorian makes it easy. This lightweight tool sits in your system tray and lets you control the brightness of all your screens with just a few clicks. It's perfect for late-night work, creative projects, or simply giving your eyes a break. For gamers, editors, or anyone pushing their PC to the limit, fan control is a lifesaver. It gives you detailed control over your computer's fans, letting you create custom cooling profiles and adjust speeds to keep temperatures low. Whether you're gaming or running resource-intensive tasks, fan control keeps your system cool without the noise. If you're looking to get the most out of your GPU, MSI Afterburner is the tool for you. It lets you overclock safely, adjust fan curves, and monitor performance in real time. Whether you're chasing higher frame rates or optimizing for heavy workloads, Afterburner gives you the tools to fine-tune your hardware. If you work across multiple computers, Mouse Without Borders is a game changer. This tool lets you control up to 4 PCs with a single mouse and keyboard. You can glide your cursor between screens, copy files, and even drag and drop images, all as if you're using one giant desktop. It's a must-have for multitaskers. For developers, VS Codium is a fantastic alternative to Visual Studio Code. It offers the same great features, but removes telemetry and proprietary components, making it lightweight and privacy-friendly. Plus, it works across multiple platforms, so you can code with confidence no matter where you are. Working with PDFs doesn't have to be a hassle. PDF Gear makes editing, annotating, and organizing PDFs incredibly simple. Highlight text, add comments, or adjust images with ease, all without the need for bulky software. It's perfect for anyone who regularly deals with documents and wants a lightweight, efficient solution. These free tools are designed to transform your Windows experience, making it smoother, smarter, and far more productive. Whether you're managing files, optimizing hardware, or enhancing your workflow, there's something here for everyone. And don't miss our next video, Top 10 Programs Putting Your PC at Risk. Got a favorite tool that didn't make the list? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to optimize your system and take your productivity to the next level.